As you can see, it's Virat Kohli sitting near the nets for the upcoming practice session. So he's preparing for it, and you can see other players like Bumrah and etc. Practicing their bowling, and see Akashdeep talking with Virat Kohli about the planning of how to bowl him in the net session. And look, Gill is talking with Gautam Gambhir for his technique. Although he looks solid in the last two matches, he he got out in a short runs. And remember, after that 91 runs in Kava, he have not a single 50 in overseas. And now Virat Kohli preparing his helmet and looking to his bat and preparing for the upcoming net session, fixing his bat grip and talking to Jaddu. And now Kohli in the net session. The right side it's Rishabh Pant practicing, and in the left side it Shubman Gill who practicing. I think they're practicing well, and Virat Kohli has been putting in the yards in Melbourne ahead of the Boxing Day for the Border Gavaskar Trophy 2024. On December 21, Kohli was spotted means today as well. Kohli was spotted practicing in the nets, focusing on overcoming his weakness against deliveries outside of stump. He lifts the ball as well. He batted around 40 minutes, working on his technique and footwork. This intense practice session comes after Kohli recent struggles with where he registered 100 as well, but rather than that, only disappointment for the King Kohli. Interestingly, Cheteshwar Pujara has also been offering strategic insights to help Kohli rediscover his form. Pujara emphasized the need for Kohli to address the challenge posed by deliveries outside the off stump, suggesting a shift in mindset and discipline approach. You know that when Sachin Tendulkar during his end of the middle of the career, he out nearly a short run outside the off stump, and in the Sydney he tried to lead every ball and score 241 runs, not out in that match. So if Virat Kohli can play that type of innings, then the form not remain the same question. Kohli's dedication to his craft is well known, and this practice session is a testament to his commitment to regaining his form. With the Boxing Day test just around the corner, all eyes will be on Kohli to see if he can turn his fortunes around. And if the top order does not collapse in the upcoming Boxing Day test, then India can win the Melbourne
to
test.
meet him or not?
Because
When that happened?
if the top order played more than 25 overs despite
Shot.
a small run, then the fourth, fifth and sixth batsmen can bowl longer. If there is a sudden collapse in the top order, then there there must be some problem to win the Melbourne test. That means WTC final will be in danger for India. So in the next match, India have to bat. Indian top order batsmen have to bat 25 plus overs. Like Jaiswal, Shubman Gill and KL Rahul have to bat 25 plus overs. And after that, I think and I guess Kohli, Rohit and Pont can be take over the responsibility. After that, the lower middle order will be very strong for India. As you all know, Nitish Kumar Reddy looks solid in this Border Gavaskar Trophy, and in the last match, Ravindra Jadeja shows why he is the number one test all-rounder in the world. Despite there is no performance from the ball by Ravindra Jadeja, and I guess in the Melbourne Test he can help Team India for from the bowling side as well, because in the last match there is no help for spinner in that match. So I don't think that a problem for Ravindra Jadeja, and it a most it a must winning match for Team India, because if India want to qualify for the WTC final, then India have to win this match.